So, ang lesson natin today ay ang isothermal process. Isothermal process ay isang type ng thermodynamic process na kung saan yung temperature ay nagre-remain na constant sa buong process. So, basically, yung internal energy ng ideal gas sa may isothermal process ay hindi nag-iiba kasi yung internal energy ay dumedepende lamang sa may temperature. And since internal energy is equals to zero, the first law of thermodynamics simplifies to heat is equals to work.
So, ito yung mga kadalasang ginagamit na formula sa isang isothermal process. Relation between pressure and volume. P1V1 is equals to P2V2. So, ito ay isang Boyle's law. Ibig sabihin, kung tumaas ang volume, bababa ang pressure, and vice versa. Basta constant ang ating temperature. For non-workflow, Wn is equals to integral of state 1 to 2 PdV, which is also equals to integral of state 1 to 2 of CdV all over to V. Ito rin ay equal sa C ln multiplied by V2 all over to V1, which is also equals to P1 V1 ln V2 all over to V1. So for the change of internal energy, change in U is equals to 0. Walang change sa internal energy kapag constant ang temperature. Kasi internal energy ng ideal gas ay nagdedepende lang sa ating temperature. So for the heat transfer, Q is equals to change in U plus Wn, which is also equal to P1 V1 ln V2 all over to V2, and it is equal to MRT ln P1 all over to P2. And for the change of enthalpy, change in H is equals to 0. Katulad ng internal energy, ang enthalpy ng ideal gas depends sa temperature. Kaya kung constant ang temperature, walang pagbabago sa enthalpy. So, ang ibig sabihin lang ito, constant temperature is equals to no change sa internal energy at sa ating enthalpy. Change of entropy or delta S is equals to Q all over T, which is also equals to MR ln P1 all over to P2.
So, isothermal process. Example number 1. 3 moles of a monatomic gas at a temperature of 27 degrees expand isothermally from an initial volume of 20 cubic meter to a new volume of 40 cubic meter. What is the work done by the gas? So, ang given natin ay meron tayong initial volume na 20 cubic meter at ang ating final volume which is 40 cubic meter. Then, ang number of monatomic gas natin ay 3, which is yun, yung N. Then, ang temperature natin ay 27 degrees at ang ating gas constant ay equal sa 8.3143 J per mole Kelvin. So, solution natin na gagamitin ay PB is equal to nRT. Then, doon natin gagamitin. Ayan. PB is equal to nRT. Or, pwede rin natin gamitin yung W is equal to PB ln V2 over V1. Which is, alam naman natin yung PB is equal to, so, nRT. Kaya, papalitan lang natin yung PB sa formula na W. Magiging W is equal to nRT ln V2 over V1. Then, substitute lang natin yung mga given values. So, number of moles, 3. Then, ang ating gas constant na 8.3143 J per mole Kelvin. Then, ang ating temperature na 27 degrees na kailangan natin gawing Kelvin. Kaya, dadagdagan lang natin ng 273. Then, ln 40 cubic meter over 20 cubic meter. Ang work natin ay equal to 5186.7302 joules or 5.186 kilojoules.
So, kaya negative ang nakuha natin is ibig sabihin may energy na ipinasok sa system para compress ang gas.
So, example number 3. During a reversible process, there are abstracted 317 kilojoules over second from 1.134 kilogram per second of a certain gas while the temperature remains constant at 26.7 degrees Celsius. For this gas, Cp is equals to 2.232 and Cv is equals to 1.713 kilojoules over kilogram Kelvin. The initial pressure is 586 kilopascal. For both non-flow and steady flow process, determine A, V1, V2, and P2, and B, the work and heat, change in enthalpy and entropy. So, may given tayo na heat na negative 317 kilojoules per second, mass flow rate na 1.134 kilogram over second per second, and then pressure 1 na 586 kilopascal, and then temperature na 26.7 degrees Celsius. So, gagamitin lang nating formula para makuha yung V1 is PV MRT. PV is equals to MRT. I-derive lang natin siya para makuha yung volume na, and then ang magagamit na natin na formula is V is equals to MRT over P. Ang problem lang is wala tayong gas constant. And then may given tayo dito na Cp and Cv. So, magiging formula ng gas constant is Cp minus Cv. So, substitute din natin yung value, which is magiging 2.232 minus 1.713 is equals to 0.519 kilojoules over kilogram Kelvin. And then, ayan, substitute na natin mga given values. 1.134 times 0.519 times 299.7 all over 586 is equals to 0.301 cubic meter per second. Meron na tayong V1. So, lipat naman tayo sa V2. Gagamitin naman nating formula dito ay ang heat flow rate is equals to pressure 1 times volume 1 times ln V2 over V1. Derive lang ulit natin siya para makuha natin yung V2. So, magiging formula na natin is ln V2 over V1 is equals to heat flow rate all over P1 V1. Then i-substitute na lang natin yung value. Ang magiging equation natin ay negative 317 over 586 times 0.301. And then equal siya sa negative 1.80. So, magiging V2 over V1 equals E raised to negative 1.80. Input na lang sa calc yan. Mangyayari natin dyan is 0.1653 times 0.301 is equals to 0.0498 cubic meter per second yung V2 natin. Then, para sa pressure 2 naman, P2 is equals to P1 V1 over V2. Then, substitute ng value na 586 times 0.301 over 0.0498. Ang P2 natin ay 3542 kilopascal. So, lipat naman tayo sa letter B. Since yung work non-flow is equals to steady flow, magiging equals na din siya sa heat flow rate. So, basically, ang magiging value natin dyan is negative 317 kilojoules per second. Hanapin naman natin yung change in entropy. Ang formula natin dyan is heat flow rate over temperature. Then, substitute ng value na negative 317 over 299.7. Ang change in entropy natin ay negative 1.058 kilojoules per second. And then, dito naman sa change in enthalpy ay magiging 0.
So for example number 2, a balloon contains 4 moles of a diatomic gas. It is kept at a constant temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. The balloon contracts to 30% of its initial volume. Find the work done on the gas in contracting the balloon. Ang given natin ay V2 over V1 equals 30%, temperature is equals to 25 degrees Celsius, and number of moles equals to 4. And ang R natin is equals to 8.3143 joules per mole Kelvin. Ang concept nito ay constant ang temperature. Gumamit tayo ng formula para sa work in an isothermal process. W is equals to nRT ln V2 over V1. Dito, volume is decreasing, so yung V2 over V1 natin is 0.3. So, ang formula natin is W is equals to PB ln V2 over V1. Since wala tayong pressure and volume, yung PB, isa-substitute natin siya sa nRT. Work is equals to nR bar temperature ln multiplied by V2 over V1. So, by substitution, magkakaroon tayo ng work is equals to 4 mole multiplied by 8.3143 joules per mole Kelvin multiplied by the temperature 25 plus 273 Kelvin multiplied by the ln 0.3. So, mapapansin nyo, makukuha nating work is negative is equals to negative 11,932.1478 joules or negative 11.9321 kilojoules.
Adiabatic process. An adiabatic process is one where there's no loss or gain of heat energy for the ideal gas to or from its surroundings. This incidentally also means that there is no change in the entropy of the gas. Bali, ang adiabatic process is a thermodynamic process wherein walang heat transfer na nangyayari or Q is equal to 0. Walang init na pumapasok or lumalabas sa system. Kaya ang changes in temperature at pressure ay purely dahil sa work na ginagawa ng system, either compression or expansion. Mga commonly ginagamit na formula sa adiabatic process. Sa adiabatic equation, which is Pb raised to 8 is constant. Bali, ang K dito or N usually yung ginagamit is 1.4. Work done. Bali sa work done naman, initial pressure times initial volume minus final pressure times final volume all over K minus 1. Pero sa ibang site, ang lumalabas is baliktad. Final pressure times final volume minus initial pressure times initial pressure times initial volume or all over 1 minus K naman. Bali, ang ano lang naman, kung negative ang result or yung lumabas na sagot, ibig sabihin, compression, while kapag positive naman, expansion. Next is the temperature-pressure relationship. Formula is T2 is equals to T1 times quantity P, P2 over P1 raised to K minus 1 over K. Bali, next naman is the internal energy change or yung delta U. Delta U is equals to heat minus the work done. Since walang change in temperature mangyari, ang Q natin dyan is 0. Kaya ang lalabas na formula ng internal energy change is negative W lang.
Adiabatic process. Example number 1. A monatomic gas at an initial pressure of 10,000 pascals expands adiabatically from an initial volume of 8 cubic meter to a new volume of 64 cubic meter. What is the new pressure? So, given a B1 is equal to 8 cubic meter at ang ating final volume or new volume is equal to 64 cubic meter. Then, may given din tayo na initial pressure or ang ating P1 which is equal to 10,000 pascals. Ang pinapahanap sa atin ngayon ay ang P2. Since may formula tayo na P1 B1 raised to N is equal to P2 B2 raised to N, makuha natin dito ang ating P2. Magdederive lang tayo ng formula which is i-divide natin yung P1 B1 raised to N sa B2 sa raised to N. Then ilagay lang natin yung mga given natin which is ang P 10,000 times 8 raised to 5 over 3 divided by 64, then raise natin sa 5/3. Ang magiging sagot natin ay 312.5 pascals. Ayun ang ating final pressure or ang ating P2.
So for example number 2 for adiabatic process, a 0.5 kilograms of air undergoes an adiabatic compression from its initial pressure of 100 kPa, initial volume of 0.2 cubic meter, to its final pressure of 400 kPa. The air behaves as an ideal gas. Cv is equals to 0.718 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin, and the N is equals to 1.4. Calculate the work done. So the concept used in this problem, since it's an adiabatic process, we use the adiabatic work formula. W is equals to P2V2 minus P1V1 all over 2 N minus 1. Pero hindi pa alam ang V2. So we calculate using the adiabatic relation, which is P1V1 raised to N is equals to P2V2 raised to N. So by deriving this formula, we will get the formula of the V2. V2 is equals to V1 quantity P1 over V2 quantity raised to 1 over 1.4. So by substitution, masosolve natin yung V2. V2 is equals to 0.2 multiplied by 100 over 400 raised to 1 over 1.4. So ang V2 natin is 0.0594 cubic meter. So since meron na tayong B2, kompleto na yung formula natin for work. So makakompute na natin yan. So by substitution again, work is equals to 400 multiplied by 0.0594 minus 100 multiplied by 0.2 all over 2, 1.4 minus 1. So the work is equals to 9.4 kilojoules.
Example number 3. A piston cylinder device contains 0.5 cubic meter of air at 200 kPa and 300 Kelvin. The air is compressed adiabatically to a final volume of 0.1 cubic meter. The process follows the adiabatic relation Pb raised to n is equals to C, or constant, with n is equals to 1.4. Find the final pressure, final temperature, work done, and change in internal energy. Bali dito sa may given tayo na initial pressure which is 200 kilopascal, initial volume of 0.5 cubic meter, and initial temperature of 200 Kelvin. And also the final volume which is 0.1 cubic meter. And lastly, the adiabatic index of 1.4. Ang unang pinapahanap ay yung final pressure. Sa pagkuha ng final pressure, gagamitin natin yung formula na pwede na rin makuha natin yung final pressure sa formula ng P1 B1 raised to n is equals to P2 B2 raised to n. Bali, i-divide lang natin both sides sa B2 raised to n. Kaya ang lalabas, final pressure is equals to P1 or initial times quantity, initial volume over final volume raised to adiabatic index which is 1.4. Bali, ang makukuha nating sagot dyan, pag in-input sa calcu, initial pressure 200 kPa times initial volume of 0.5 over 0.1 raised to 1.4. Ang makukuha nating sagot is 1,903.6539 kilopascal. Next naman is yung final temperature. Sa pagkuha naman ng final temperature, ang gagamitin nating formula is yung T2 or final temp is equals to initial temperature times the initial volume over final volume raised to n minus 1, which is 1.4 minus 1. Substitute lang natin yung mga value. T1, 300 Kelvin times yung initial volume 0.5 over 0.1, yung final volume, raised to 1.4 minus 1. Ang makukuha nating final temperature is 571.0961 Kelvin. Next naman, itong work done. Ang gagamitin naman nating formula sa paggawa ng work done is P1 initial pressure times initial volume minus final pressure times final volume over n minus 1. Substitute lang natin. 200 kPa times 0.5 cubic meter minus 1,000 P2, ito, 1,903.6539 kilopascal times the final volume, which is 0.1 cubic meter, all over adiabatic index na 1.4 minus 1. Ang makukuha nating sagot is negative 225.25 kilojoule. And lastly, itong change in internal energy. And for adiabatic process, ang formula para makuha ang change in internal energy equals lang siya sa negative value ng work done. Kaya kung isa-substitute natin tong work done natin na negative 25.25 kilojoule, ang makukuha nating change in internal energy is 225. Positive 225.25 kilojoule.